What's up, folks, and welcome back to the channel. Got something from the Kunwu guys, and a little bit of trash. Um, Get rid of the trash real quick, and this is gonna be the Gringo. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. It usually have a sticker. Yeah, Gringo. Okay, that's right. I just can't remember Primo or Gringo. Um, but this is the Gringo. Obviously, it always comes with a little pouch. Love these things. I use them all. I've got like 4 or 5 of them, and I got 5 of them. I use 2 of them. The other 3 just kind of sit around. But I definitely use the other 2. There's a little certificate of authenticity. Comes with a black wire clip. Probably stainless steel, obviously. Cleaning cloth. Gel silica packets. Throw away. Do not eat. And here we go. Now, okay. So the thing about this knife is, it may be a struggle. You may see me struggling pretty hardcore. In advance, I apologize. Because I was only able to get my hands on the Lefty version of it. So this is actually all full Lefty, like titanium, or the frame lock is on the, obviously the left side of it right here. So this may be fun. Let's try it out. You're gonna see a lot of struggling, but I promise I'll try to get it together. Um, this thing's a lot bigger than I thought too. Good lord. Nice DLC freaking blade. They do such a great job on their DLC, like it's stupid. And one thing is new, the S390. I don't know a lot about it, but I think it's obviously better than M390. I think that's what I heard. Like I said, I haven't heard a lot about it. I've heard it on, I think, Metal Complex once when he was reviewing like metals or steels, blade steels. Excuse me. And I think it was up there on the top tier of his steels. I'm pretty sure above M390 though, at least. But this is S390. Now, do they make another 390? K390? Call me crazy. I don't know. I can't remember. But I don't know. But Kunwu does a great job on their blades, especially that DLC coating. Top notch, really. Got a kind of like a mirror polish right there for you. And the scales. Now these are what I didn't know about. I don't think this is the raindrop. I can't remember what this one is. I know they have like honeydew or something like that, or morning dew, and then raindrop, or I don't remember. I don't remember what this is called. They've got some other like different type of texturing for their handles now. This I don't mind, I guess. It doesn't feel too bad in hand. I'm just not a real big fan of the look. Like I really like the diamond texture. Real big fan of their diamond texture stuff and their orange peel. Love the orange peel look. They do a great job on both. I like both of those. The newer knives, they come out with the different scales. I'm not too keen on them. I don't know why. Great knives still, I'm sure, but just not real keen. It's kind of why I didn't get an S-Tau 2 yet. Plus, obviously, they're over $300, so that might have something to do with it also. But I haven't been able to afford one, and I just didn't really like the scales. I kind of want to check them out first before I buy. Like, we're wasting my money on them. I don't want to waste my money and not like it, you know what I mean? And this thing is probably 300 bucks. I can't remember for sure, but yeah, not quite sure. But I do love that little ramp right there, little harpoon look. Jimping is great on this thing though. Definitely feels great. Nice little dark Damascus collar right there on both sides. I like the dark Damascus on this. Like I like the darker look of it. I have some other knives which are a little lighter. I'm like, yeah, okay, sure. But I like the darker look with the darker knives. This blade is freaking huge, though. Like, I can't really explain it enough. Um, Got a little bit of jimping right here, a little texturing also, just to help with gripping. I will give it to it. Like, the grip on this handle is pretty phenomenal. Like, it really does feel like it grips really well. Especially with the little ramp right there, the jimping. You have this little finger hold right there, and then even right here. So my hand fits honestly perfectly in there. So I feel like I get a good tight grip on this thing, to tell you the truth. Try to do it with my left hand. I'm not going to be able to flip this thing with my left hand. I can do a lot of things with my left hand really well, but I've tried flicking knives before and it just doesn't work. See? Man, I can't. Yeah, I can't even front flip it though. Dude, I'm left hand. Like I can do a lot of things. Like construction wise, I can hammer with my left hand. I'm a better painter with my left hand, even though I'm a right-handed person. I can paint better with my left hand. But there's also a lot of things I cannot do with my left hand at all. And flipping a knife is one of them. Okay, so I can still do the front flipper with my thumb. So that's not too bad. The action's pretty good. Pretty drop shutty. Drop shutty, is that a word? Yeah, a couple words. As long as I keep my hands off that thumb bar or frame lock. Yeah, that's not so bad. Let me see if I can do the whole reverse flick again. Yeah, I just gotta keep my thumb up high. Okay, so I want to keep a hold of the back part of it too. So if I do it just like this, put my fingers right here, kind of pinch these two together along with this, along with the meat of my hand, I think I can kind of get it pretty easy. Not too bad. I'm not going to thumb flick the crap. Actually, I might be able to. I kind of have a short thumb, so I definitely have to give it a flick. Oh my goodness, dude. This is like the worst video ever just for me trying to flick a knife. DLC definitely smudges up a lot because obviously it's a plus it's like a mirror polish kind of coating. Um, but it looks nice overall. Titanium pocket clip. I'll get you some more information now. Titanium pocket clip. It's kind of like the normal titanium one. Kind of comes standard issue. I do like it though. Got a little K for the Kunwu emblem right there. Nice normal pocket clip or pivot collar or pivot also. Both sides. Screws on this side. Just a cap right there. About normal. Looks like some T8s though. So that's pretty nice. Got a little lanyard right there. Oh, and the pocket clip is reversible, which is nice. So you can change the pocket clip over. You're not changing that over, so it's still a left-handed knife, just with the pocket clip on the other side. So this would not work well for me. But it also comes with the wire clip also. So if you don't like the titanium one, and you're more like a wire guy, because I like wires though too. I do like the wire pocket clips. They don't tear up my jeans or stuff like that. They go in smoothly into my pocket. So I've never had a problem with them. So wire pocket clips work for me. You also have a screw hole, or not a screw hole, but like a screw right there just to cover up the hole, which is nice. I like that they did that. So obviously you'd have to put this screw, if you reverse the pocket clip, you take this screw over here, just change it out. This screw over here, like just reverse everything, pretty much completely reverse everything. Um, Really kind of impressed with this, really like it. Like the nice big choil right there. You can definitely choke up, even though you don't freaking need to, because that's me choked up right there. I have freaking inch and a half right there still of room. Like even if you have a bigger hand, like you can still kind of just do this right here and be all right. This thing's freaking meaty though, but it's pricey. A lot of people have. It also Kunwu's Chinese, so people don't like it just because it's Chinese. I still do. I still think they make a quality knife. They have quality products, premium materials, so I can't say too much. I really like them. I like USA made if I can, but Kunwu from China, man, that you ain't gonna beat it for the material, like the materials and the price. I think this is coming in like at 330. It's expensive, but check it out though. This is the Gringo. They have different variations also, which are a little cheaper. This is the DLC. DLC is usually a little more expensive. You know what I mean? That's all I got though. If you guys have any comments or questions, just let me know in the comment section. Be looking out for that final review coming up shortly. And if you liked the video, leave a thumbs up. I know it was kind of a cluster just because I'm not left-handed. I'm left-handed dumb, I guess. I don't know. But if you like the video, please do. If not, no big deal. We're still cool. Thanks, guys, and have a great rest of your day.